guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a clean out in my refrigerator, and I'm also going to clean my pantry out. And today in this video I want to show you an easy recipe for if you're trying to go keto, which I'm trying to. And so this recipe a friend showed me, and it's just a simple recipe for a pizza, and it's so good and I just absolutely love it. So I figured I would show y'all just in case you needed some cooking motivation. So I have seen Amy Darley, which I'm pretty sure all of you follow. If not, you need to go follow her. But she has been doing this or that questions, and I've been really enjoying answering those questions. So I wanted to do that in this video today. So I will leave 3 questions, and as they come up, you just answer them in the comments. So I edit this video kind of different from what I usually do. I usually do everything in fast mode just so the video won't be so long. But I've been watching videos and they've been doing it in this same type speed. And so let me know down in the comments whether or not you like it like this, or if you would rather see me do it in the fast speed.
Part of me is living a lie. I want you like the first time when we began. But as we dove in deep, the water turned cold.
So now I'm just looking to see what the dates are, and if it's past the date, I'm just dumping it in the trash, and if it's not, then I'm keeping it. And if I don't use it at all, then I just go ahead and dump it as well. So I wanted to show y'all these grapes. They are 3 weeks old, and look at them. They don't even look, they look like they're like a week old compared to when you just leave them in the container that they come in. But I shared a video recently about how you take your grapes out and you put it in a baggie and you put a paper towel in there, and it makes it last a lot longer. And I'm gonna leave that in the cards up below and down below in my description box.
Strangers again, strangers again. It's sad to know, it's sad to know, it's sad to know that we'll become strangers again, strangers again, strangers again. Said he only wanna see his friends. Another week went by and we barely even spoke. Think I'm beginning to read a sequence. Why did you turn your back on me? Maybe there's something I don't see. Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me? Shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me. Why'd you go and leave me here all alone in the shadows? Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me? I don't like to be a bother, but I'm getting kinda sick of trying to figure this out on my own. It's almost like you're keeping secrets from me. When did your feelings start to drift? Maybe there's something that I've missed. Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me? Shed a little light, shed a
Alright, so we have gotten to the cooking part, and as you can tell, I used a great value kind, and in my pizza sauce I'm also going to use the great value kind. And just make sure you just check the labels and just see how many carbs. You're just trying to get as low as carbs as possible. That's the goal of keto, is to try to have low carbs. So that's what I'm showing you right there. And so it was only 4 grams of carbs, so that's really, really good.
I deserve to know the truth. How come you left me, you left me, you left me, you left me alone in the dark? Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me? Shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me. Why'd you go and leave me here all alone in the shadows? Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me?
So now I'm just showing you the cheese and showing you the carbs, and that is only 1 gram, so that's really good. And one thing I like about keto is that I can still have my cheese, because if you watch any of my cooking videos, you know how much I love cheese. And as you can tell, I put too much cheese on here because when it come out the oven, you're gonna see that it was like overflowing with cheese, but I can't help it. I love cheese so much. And then I just use the turkey pepperonis, and they have less fat in them as well, and they have 0 carbs. So that's the reason why I use those.
On stolen ground, but now I cannot seem at all to find my sound. My harmonies are broken, it's like I lost my wings. My heart is only playing on a single string.
And I can't forget about my Italian seasoning. That's what pretty much brings the flavor to this pizza. You know, everything's kind of low carb, but this right here kind of brings that flavor, and so it makes it so good, guys. But so I set the oven on 400, and I let that I let that bake for 10 minutes. Don't go over 10 minutes or it will burn, but 10 minutes kind of makes the crust kind of get hard, and it just makes it like it's a thin crust pizza. Alright, so now I am back to cleaning out my pantry, because as you can tell, there's so much stuff and my pantry is so little, so I have to do this very often.
A single string, and I wished upon the stars when suddenly I heard you sing. My harmonies are broken, it's like I lost my wings. My heart is only playing on a single string. I gambled every token, I thought that we could win, but still my heart is playing on a single string. My harmonies are broken, it's like I lost my wings. My heart is only playing on a single string. I gambled every token, I thought that we could win, but still my heart is playing on a single string. But still my heart is playing on a single string.
Yeah. Time flies, close your eyes. Imagine you could see everybody else's dream. What a comfort it would be. All along, standing strong, the way it ought to be.
So I think I've had this song in every single one of my videos, guys. I love this song. Like, I can just listen to it all day long.
We're only human after all. Nothing could make us fall apart. I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing, I promise. It's not enough to make you cry. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Yeah, it's not that big a deal when I think about it now. We should never be afraid to believe in it somehow. 'Cause we're only human after all. Nothing can make us fall apart. Whoa. I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing, I promise. It's not enough to make you cry. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. We're only human. We're only human. We're only human after all. We're only human. We're only human. We're only human after all. Hear me when I say I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing.
So I got these from Walmart, these white containers or these white bins, mostly because I wanted white and the Dollar Tree didn't have the white ones like I wanted, and these are just a lot sturdier than the ones at the Dollar Tree, and I love their bins, but sometimes going cheap isn't always okay, especially when you want something that's sturdy and that will just last a long time. So I just ended up getting these from Walmart, and they were bigger than the ones that I had, and it could hold more things. So that's the reason why I ended up getting these from Walmart.
Half asleep, in between, on my way to the round of the living. Seek your eyes right here beside. Would you come with me? Sun's rising, and we go. There's a way. Come today, let a heavy mind
So right here, I just kind of wanted to show y'all this trash can. I got it from the Dollar Tree, and this is just where I save all my box tops. As you all know, or most of you know, I'm a teacher at a school, and so we collect box tops, and that's just where I collect them until I take them to school. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to push that subscribe button down below, and also push the bell so you won't miss out on any of my videos. You'll be alert whenever I post a new video. I can't wait to read your comments down below on the this or that questions, and also don't forget to like this video. Alright, I will see y'all next time. Bye.
For the seekers.
So I wanted to show my pizza to you guys because this is about to be so good. And I know it looked crazy on the pan, but it's just because the cheese just ran over. Because I put too much cheese because I love cheese. But anyway, it's gonna be delicious.
It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out. I just wanna shout his